If you're looking for cozy, comforting soups that still support your goals during the colder months, these 3 recipes have got you covered. First up, the Viral Lasagna Soup. Start by melting light butter in a pot, add diced onions, minced garlic, and cook until softened. Then add lean ground beef, your seasonings, and cook until browned. Stir in tomato paste, then pour in the marinara sauce and beef bone broth, then break your lasagna noodles into the pot and simmer until they're fully cooked. Reduce the heat, add chopped parsley, half and half, grated Parmesan, shredded mozzarella, blended cottage cheese, and ricotta until combined and creamy. Optionally garnish with extra ricotta, and enjoy! It's cozy, high in protein, and tastes like a bowl of lasagna without all the effort. Next up, broccoli cheddar soup. Start by melting light butter in a pot. Add diced onions, minced garlic, add your seasonings, and cook until softened. Then sprinkle in the flour to form the roux. Slowly whisk in the chicken broth until smooth, then add chopped broccoli, shredded carrots, and let it simmer until tender. Then lower the heat, stir in half and half, blended cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, and shredded cheddar. Mix until smooth and creamy, then serve and garnish with turkey bacon and optional extra cheese. It's lighter than traditional broccoli cheddar soup, but still so creamy, cozy, and incredibly satisfying. And finally, zuppa toscana. Start by cooking chopped turkey bacon in a pot until crisp, then remove and set aside. Add diced onion, minced garlic, your seasonings, and cook until softened. Add turkey sausage and cook until slightly browned. Then mix in chopped potatoes and chicken broth, bring that to a boil, then reduce to a simmer until the potatoes are tender. Add chopped kale and simmer until the greens soften. Lower the heat, then stir in half and half, blended cottage cheese, and Greek yogurt until creamy and well combined. Fold the cooked turkey bacon back in before serving. Optionally garnish with shredded mozzarella and extra turkey bacon. It's hearty, comforting, and delivers all the flavor of traditional zuppa toscana, but with balanced calories and 24 grams of protein. And that's it! 3 cozy and satisfying soups that make it easy to stay on track. And if you liked these, our high-protein soup recipes from last winter are another great option. Let us know if you try one, and don't forget to follow Noom for more easy recipes.